New, Philips. Ambilight, 4K OLED 708. Series OLED TV. Display technology, OLED refresh rate 120 Hz. Special feature R, Ambilight, NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync. Included components are stand for the table, remote control, 2 A/A batteries, legal and safety booklet, power cable, quick start guide. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet, HDMI. Color metal bevel frame. Item weight is 13.8 kilograms. Detail and depth Ambilight OLED TV. Top quality design. Ready for the future. Cinematic vision and sound. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Google TV. New Philips PUS8888 OLED TV. Main features are resolution is 3840 x 2160 4K. Ultra HD LED TV with 3-sided Ambilight. P5 Perfect Picture Engine, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+. Google TV with access to Google Play Store content. Dolby Atmos capable sound system. DTS Play-Fi compatible. Gaming, 120 Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium, ALLM, VRR. Google Assistant voice control compatible with Amazon Alexa. DVB T2, C, S2. Triple tuner. 4x HDMI, ERC to HDMI 2. HDMI 2.1, 2x USB, CI+, digital audio output, Ethernet LAN, WLAN 802.118, 2x2, dual band AM, Bluetooth 5.0, integrated power consumption is 69 W. Power consumption in standby mode is 0.3 W. Atom weight is 15.8 kilo. Frequency 120 Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HDR10+. HLG, Micro Dimming Pro, Perfect Natural Motion, Calman. Ready. Display colors are 1070 main supports of HDR10. HDR10 is an HDR, high dynamic range, video technology. Compared to standard dynamic range, SDR, video, HDR10 video has greater contrast and color depth, resulting in more realistic images. Supports of HDR10+. HDR10+ is an improved version of HDR10 video technology, HDR10+.